Let's talk about this question. In this question, they are asking which feature ensure your application remains online if a high impact maintenance event is required or if there is any hardware failure occur. So the option we are having: reason, geographies, availability zone, availability set. So to understand this question, we need to understand about what exactly these four features are. If you talk about region, region is actually a geographical area on the planet that contains at least one, or we can say, or we can have multiple data centers within the region. So that is talking about the region. Next, we have geographies. Geographies. So geographies actually contains two or more regions that preserves data residency and the compliance boundary that comes under geography. If we will talk about the availability zone are actually a physically separate location within a region with their own power, cooling, and networking resources. So this is how we define the availability zones. If we'll talk about the availability set, that actually ensures our application remains online if a high impact maintenance event is required or if there is any hardware failure. So in this question, they are asking about this one. So for this question, our answer will be availability set.